Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the domain you will use and signing into the Google Workspace console as the new admin. Once done, create the primary admin user and select the billing plan. This enables email features. Make sure you have DNS control credentials because Google will ask to verify ownership. You see a verification token, copy it. Now open your DNS host and prepare to add a TXT record. This proves you own the domain and allows Gmail to be activated for your organization. After domain verification, you move to the critical MX record step because mail routing depends on it. Replace current MX entries with Google's MX servers and the specified priorities. This directs incoming mail to Workspace. Once the MX records are saved, add an SBF TXT record to authorize Google servers and reduce spoofing. You should also plan DKIM signing in the admin console to cryptographically authenticate outgoing mail. Make sure DNS changes propagate before testing. Propagation time affects when email will begin flowing to Gmail. You finish by testing. Sign into the new Gmail account, send and receive messages, and confirm mail clients can connect via IMAP/POP or use native Gmail. Once user accounts exist, run migrations for old mailboxes if required, using Google's migration tool. If mail doesn't arrive, check MX records for typos and correct priorities, confirm SBF and DKIM settings, and verify DNS/TTL hasn't delayed propagation. One key troubleshooting tip: use an external MX lookup and the admin console email log to pinpoint where messages are stopped.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.